The Schlage Custom FC21 is an innovative interior door lock that combines two functions in one unit. This versatile lock can serve as both a passage lock for halls and closets and a privacy lock for bedrooms and bathrooms. The lock features a premium design with concealed screws and low-profile trim, giving it a custom designer look at an affordable price. The crystal knob and brushed finish provide both style and durability. The lock comes factory configured as a passage lock by default. To enable the privacy function for bedroom or bathroom doors, you simply install the included privacy pin. This small component transforms the lock's behavior without requiring any additional tools. For safety, the lock includes an emergency unlock feature. A special tool is provided that allows you to unlock the door from the outside in case someone accidentally locks themselves in. Before installation, ensure your door meets the specific dimensional requirements. The door width should be between 1 3/8 to 1 3/4 inches. The crossbore hole must be 2 1/8 inches in diameter, and the distance from the crossbore center to the door edge should be between 2 3/8 to 2 3/4 inches. The Schlage Custom FC21 combines functionality, style, and ease of installation in one comprehensive package. Understanding these key features and requirements ensures a successful installation and optimal performance. Now, we'll walk through the complete installation process for the Schlage Custom FC21 lock. Follow these 8 steps carefully for proper installation. Step 1. Prepare the door and install the latch. First, verify your door thickness is between 1 3/8 to 1 3/4 inches. The crossbore hole should be 2 1/8 inches in diameter. If your door's backset is 2 3/4 inches, extend the latch by turning the bottom half. Insert the latch into the door hole with the angled bevel facing the door frame. Step 2. Install the faceplate. Choose between the round corner faceplate or the drive-in faceplate based on your door preparation. The angled bevel side must face toward the door frame. Step 3. Install the strike plate on the door frame. Position it so the latch bolt aligns properly with the strike opening. Secure with the provided screws. Step 4. Install the chassis components. First, install the exterior chassis with the 2 posts on the correct side of the door. Align the posts with the holes in the latch mechanism. Next, install the interior chassis and secure both chassis components with the provided screws. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the mechanism. Step 5. Install the trim pieces. Align the holes in the trim with the holes in the chassis and click the trim into place. You should hear a satisfying click when properly seated. Step 6. Install the knobs or levers. Push each knob or lever into place, then tighten the set screws using the provided Allen wrench. If using levers, ensure they face away from the door frame. Step 7. Install the privacy pin if desired. Insert the privacy pin into the pinhole on the interior side, ensuring the wings are horizontal. Rotate it 1/4 turn to the right to engage the privacy lock function. Step 8. Test the lock mechanism. Test both the locking and unlocking functions to ensure proper operation. If you installed the privacy pin, test the privacy function with the door open first to avoid being locked in or out. Your Schlage Custom FC21 lock is now properly installed. Remember to keep the emergency unlock tool in a safe place and test the lock periodically to ensure continued smooth operation.